What's the meaning of Camp David? Camp David. Camp David.
Camp David. Camp David. Camp David is a retreat located in Maryland, USA, that has been used by American presidents since the 1940s. It was named after President Dwight D. Eisenhower's grandson. The most famous event associated with Camp David is the 1978 Camp David Accords, which were a series of negotiations between Israeli and Egyptian leaders facilitated by then-President Jimmy Carter. The result of these negotiations was a peace treaty between the two countries, which ended decades of conflict. Since then, Camp David has been used as a location for other high-level diplomatic meetings.